Today I want to talk about the renovation during the coronavirus crisis. Please watch this video all the way to the end if you are interested to do remodeling right now, or if you are in the middle of the remodeling, or if you are thinking about the remodeling in the future. Hi, this is Ali from EA Home Design, and in next 10 minutes I'm gonna speak about the renovation during the coronavirus crisis. Please follow us if you want to have the smoother renovation and better design for your remodeling project. Okay, let's start it. We in this situation we have three different scenario. Okay, the first scenario is you are in the middle of the project. If you are in the middle of the project, okay, and people working in your house, okay, please ask them to make the wall of plastic all around the work area, okay, and the workers should use the mask and should use the gloves, and they should do everything that protect you and your family. And the wall of the plastic is very important around the place that they are working. Okay, and please try, don't rush them, but try to finish the project faster. If they need something, give it to them. If order it or go and buy it for them, because maybe in the future soon the most of the supplier gonna close or gonna work a little bit less. And if you are in the situation that most of supplier close and you are in the middle of the renovation, probably you should be a little bit patient and be creative to until several weeks that everything going well, and the coronavirus situation gonna be a little bit slower. The other thing is, this is the first scenario if you are in the middle of the remodeling. The second scenario is you are in the point to signing the contract with the contractor. Okay, if you are in this point to sign a contract with the contractor, this is completely up to you. Okay, maybe you have enough money to do it right now, but what you should consider is maybe next 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, most of the factories and most of the big supplier gonna gonna close or gonna make it half a time working. But it depends on the project size that you have. Okay, it depends on the project size that you have. I highly recommend check your budget, check everything, and before you sign a contract, consider everything. Okay, because maybe they cannot do your project in next probably 6, 7, 8 weeks, and if they cannot do it, okay, probably you can put the delay and do it later. But if you are in rush, probably is the right time to do it. Maybe I think most of the big manufacturers gonna work. For example, if you have a kitchen cabinet, maybe it's better to sign a contract in 8 weeks, 9 weeks, something like that. The cabinet come, okay, and the coronavirus gone, you can start your project. This is completely depends on the project, but what I mean is, try to don't start any project right now, because because of the virus situation, because of your health, and because of the finding the supply harder, probably is not the best time to start a project. And the third thing, which is very important, is if you are thinking about doing remodeling in the future, I personally think this is the best time to thinking about the remodeling for the future, because right now everyone has a family, and the family is in the home, and you have more time than before. Okay, and you can easily choose a contractor, choose several contractors that they do video chat without even coming to your house. do the video chat with them and video call conference and show the space to them. And when you're showing the space, get some picture after that, do the measurement and tell them to design it, okay? Because you are in the home, they can do designing for you, and you can be prepared and choosing the design. Even you can choose them some material online, okay, based on the pictures. But I don't recommend to order anything before you see it, but at least they can put it on the design and show it to you. But right now is the best time for design, because you never know, it's maybe in next 2-3 months you're gonna be that busy that you can, it's very hard for you to find the design that you wanted. And and right now, and or it's very hard to find your husband or your wife to or your girlfriend, boyfriend to share the design with. It is a nice time. You can do all video call. You can do the design review with the video and everything. This is gonna be great for you. You're sitting in the home without going outside. You're gonna have your design ready, and in the future, if you want to do your project, you have your design. We do it this way. Honestly, right now we have lots of calls every day that we do video call with them, and they do the design, and they ask for the design. They show us the space. They take a picture from the space, and they measure everything, and we design it for them, 3D design. The other thing that is very important, that you should know how to measure it, how to measure the space. We have a video to do it, for we send it to our customer, and we tell them how to measure the space. That's it. I think this is the overall thing. Because of this coronavirus, we make a page. We spend lots of time on it. We try to update it very fast, and every day about the coronavirus. It's protect your family and friends from coronavirus. In the Facebook, this is a group you can go and join to that group. We really care about the health issue and the family, and because of that we make this group. You can invite your friends and family. This is gonna help everyone to update this page, speak with the doctors, lots of doctors in it, and this way we can help each other to finish this coronavirus situation faster. You can subscribe us on YouTube and Instagram. We are always here to help. We are always here to make your remodeling process faster, smoother, and easier for you, and give you the best design idea that is fitting in your space and your budget. Thank you so much, and have a great one. Bye.